na ako sa YouTube mo. Let's have a try. Do not forget to like, comment, and share, and of course, to subscribe our YouTube channel. I feel so uncomfortable this evening because I want to go out from my boarding house rent room because I want to eat balot, but I feel so late. I feel the laziness. Yeah, I feel the laziness. That's the reason why I only bought this, the junk food one, in the biscuits too. But yeah, I have a plan talaga to go out just to eat balot. Nag-crave ako eh. Char, nag-crave. Nag-crave. Anyway, pwede ba kayo makakaakyat? Baka pwede ko kayong maapaakyat para sabay tayo sa live. I'll try. Baka pwede ko kayong mapaakyat. I'll try lang ha. Kasi baka gusto ko yung... Ako po ay 9 years old. Bata pa po ako pero marunong na ako mag-edit. Rolando better. You're too young. You're so young. You're so young. Supposed to be you're not here in YouTube channel. You're supposed to be study and study field, and also some important matter rather than that. But yeah, it's good to know that you know how to edit already, because even me myself, I'm not good in editing. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna check the time first because maybe I'm gonna eat, no? Ako ay nakatira sa San Isidro. Saan sa San Isidro? Saan sa San Isidro? Rolando better. Why my viewers are in my YouTube channel are, most of you are so young. Baka maano tayo nito ni YouTube kasi halos mga bata yung nanonood. Anyway, kung ganun lang naman na mga bata yung nanonood dito, then magtuturo na lang ako ng magandang or magtuturo na lang ako na yung may makukuha tayong asal. Pwede po ba makasali sa live? Sige, try mo nga. Akyat ka nga. Subukan mo nga, baby. Baka pwede. Pero I think hindi. Kasi dito. Nag-try ako dito. Wala namang pwedeng i-click na system para ma-invite kita. Walang wala eh. Hindi ata pwede. Hindi ata pwede, langga. Sa po? I think hindi pwede siya. Hindi pwede yung yung mag-akyat sa live kasi sinubukan ko. Ito na lang. Ask a question na lang kayo tapos sasagutin ko. Sige, ganun na lang. Thank you for the end. Thank you. Wala eh. Hindi hindi pwede makaakyat. Well, anyway, it's okay. Sakit yung ulo ko ngayon. I have a lot of pimples na Look. I have a lot of pimples, no? And yeah. Tumataba na ako lalo. Nakalimutan mo na ba ang mga